to the demonstration proper. I will be showing you two PCs. So one PC this PC is asking for help. So this one has trouble. Let's say, for example, some of his files are lost, or he's doing something on Microsoft Word or PowerPoint that he needs to be assisted. And then the other PC is the one who's going to assist. So let's begin with the first PC. Alright, this PC is going to ask for a help. To begin with, he or she must search. So instruction number 1 or step number 1, on your search button, type in remote assistance. Alright, so you have to type in remote assistance. And then go ahead and click invite someone to connect to your PC and help you or offer help. Alright. Now I have two options here. One is invite someone you trust to help you, and the other one is help someone who has invited you. Since this PC is currently asking for help, so therefore, I will be clicking this one. Okay? Invite someone you trust to help you. Now, we have three options here. One is save this invitation file. So this is now the invitation file, ano? This will be used by the one who's going to assist you. Okay. The other one is use email to send invitation, but this is locked currently because it says if you use a compatible email program. So this is only for those applications that is compatible to this remote assistant. So since I have no compatible application for this, this one is locked. And the other one is use Easy Connect. Use this option if Easy Connect is also available to your helper. Let's say, for example, that the helper doesn't have this Easy Connect. So the option that we are going to use is option number 1. Save this invitation as a file. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Click this one. And then, this is the default file name, invitation. So I am going to use another help file. So this will be the file that I will be sending to the one I am asking to assist me with my problem. Alright, so let us save this one. Okay, after saving that file, the invitation file, you will be given an invitation file and password. Take note, do not close this one. I repeat, do not close this one because this will be used by the one who's going to assist you. Okay, the next step that we are going to do is to send the file through a specific platform. On our example, I am going to use my Google Drive. On my Google Drive, I am going to upload the invitation file I have created. If you do not have Google Drive, you may also use your own email. But not the Messenger, okay? Take note, not the Messenger. Only the Google Drive or some of your emails. Let's begin with uploading the file. Okay? I'm going to upload the file. So my file name is help file. So click this one and then open. So it's currently uploading. Alright, now it's already done. What you have to do is to contact that person that you are asking for help. Let's say, for example, a friend or a teacher, and then ask her or him to help you using the remote assistance. Now, we are done with the PC that is asking for help. I am now going to shift into the person who's going to assist. Alright. So this one is the PC of the person who's going to assist. What you're going to do is to retrieve the file that is being sent to you. If it's on your email, then go ahead and look for that file on your email. But on our case, since the file is being uploaded on the Google Drive, I am going to search for that on my Google Drive as well. So the file name is help file. Alright, and and then enter. Okay, so let's locate that one. This one. So what you're going to do is to download this file. If it's on your email, then go ahead and download it. On our example, I am using my Google Drive. So go ahead and download the file, the invitation file. Okay. Now this is the invitation file that the one has sent you, the other PC has sent you. So let us save it now. Okay. So there you are. It is currently saved. I am going to locate it. By default, it is saved on downloads. Okay, take note. It is saved on your downloads. So I'm going to locate it. Now this now is the invitation file that came from the person who is asking a help. So this is now the invitation file. Now, I am going to view the two PC. I am going to shift and show you two PCs at one. Ayan. Now I have here two PC. One PC is going to assist you and the other one has the password. Now take note of the password because you are going to use this. Alright. For this one, for the PC that's going to assist, go ahead and double click it or right click and then open. Ayan. Enter the password to connect to the remote computer. This one. From the PC that is asking for assistance, we are going to enter this password. Alright. So the password in capital letter is alphanumeric rather T6G2NHCSFKZB and then click OK. While waiting, OK. On this PC, the one who's asking for help, there is a prompt saying, would you like to allow server? Server is the name of the other PC. Server to connect to your computer. If you really trust that person, then go ahead and yes. Of course, because you were the one who is asking assistance to that person. So, obviously, you need to click yes. Ayan. Now, you see that on this PC, the PC is trying to help you has already access to your PC. But for you to have a full access, you have to request control. This one, go ahead and click request control so that you will have a full access or full control towards that PC that you are helping. So I am going to click this one, request control, and then on your PC, on the person who's asking the help, would you like to allow server to share control of your desktop? Obviously, it should be yes. Alright, go ahead and click yes. And that's it. That's it. The remote assistance is now being able to access by the one who's going to assist you. Now, I'm going to show you that currently I am on a remote assistance. Let us try to minimize this. So this is the original PC that is trying to assist you, while the one you're assisting is this one. Now, you can now execute whatever actions you want. Let's say, for example, you're going to open some of the files. There you are. Or any form of actions you need to do, you can do now using the remote assistance. Okay, so I hope this makes it clear how easy it is to use the remote assistance. Okay, so going back to our presentation, I have one question for you to answer. Kindly prepare paper and your ball pen. Our activity for the day is reflect and write. So for my question, what is the significance of having the ability or skill to assist someone remotely using computer applications such as remote assistance? So I am leaving you with this question for you to answer. That's it. If you have any questions, I am going to entertain it on our Google Meet. See you on our Google Meet. Bye!